Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Jeep Cherokee. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Jeep Cherokee, the stylish midsize SUV with sleek lines, ample cargo capacity, rich interior appointments, and advanced technology that keeps you safe and secure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel relaxed and confident when you set out for adventure in the Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.